Hey everyone, Ed here with Michelle and the great indoors, and it's 37 degrees here in Independence, Ohio, but it is 80 degrees in the Philippines. And you're wondering, why are you telling me what the weather is? Well, we're going to get a taste of the Philippines today here at Tita Flora's Filipino restaurant. And we're going to get warmed up there, aren't we? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready. I've never had Filipino food before, but this is going to be a first. Are you ready, Michelle?
I am so ready.
Let's get warmed up at Tita Flora's Filipino restaurant here in Independence, Ohio. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors. Awesome. All right, let's get in there. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's not too busy yet. Ooh. All right. Oh, Michelle, go talk to the girl.
Hi there. How are you? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Beautiful.
Yes, please. Is Flo working tonight?
Okay, Michelle, we have a little connection, at least you do, to the owner of this place.
Correct.
And her name is Flora.
Yes.
And her daughter, Veronica,
Right.
is the hostess here.
Right.
And she's been asking us to make a YouTube video for them for the longest time, right?
Since the grand opening.
And they've almost been open for a year, right? Or something
About
like
that, 6 months to a year.
We've kind of been taking our sweet old time to get here. But I'm glad, the smell is beautiful in here. It's got it's like a
Filipino.
Oh man, it smells so good in here. I can't wait. All right, but here's the menus. We're gonna check it out, and I hear their appetizers are outstanding.
And desserts. I have never had a main dish here before. It was always the appetizers and the desserts.
All right. Okay, now Michelle was saying that when we used to work at, where was it? Winking Lizard. She would bring out the spring rolls for Michelle to try, and they were outstanding. So that's definitely going to have to be something that they call it lumpia Shanghai.
Good
And then they have fish balls here.
Mm-hmm.
It's traditional Filipino street food, skewered fish cakes served with chili soy sauce, takwat, baboy.
Some drinks just to get started.
Pepsi and a water, please.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Takwat baboy.
We push her right.
Crispy pork belly, fried tofu served with Filipino vinegar sauce, and pork barbecue. Any one of those can be good, but we're definitely going to have to go with the spring rolls to try. And maybe we should get a second one too. I'm looking at the pork barbecue. Harold Balder would love to hear that. He's always looking for pork.
And we need to look because we're going to the casino tomorrow.
Oh yeah, good job, Michelle. And here she is, the woman that's bringing this all together. How you doing, Flo?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm glad to see you both.
We have known you since the Red Hawk Winking Lizard times. That goes way back. You've come a long way now. We were so proud of you. And you brought some riches out for us too. So this is the spring roll that you used to make for Michelle back in the day too. And then the pork barbecue. Oh, that looks tremendous. And we're probably gonna go with. She's probably gonna go with the adobo, but I'm looking at the beef called Doretta. So I wanna get some beef too. Awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
See that?
Thank you. This is awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
I don't know how she could say so.
She's you get one of them right there, Michelle.
And then.
Now wait a second. Is there like a dipping sauce over there?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Let me take my fork and pour it. I want to. Oh, that looks like a vinegar with onion. And look at that. Oh, look at how it's garnished with the parsley over here. And I want to try this really quick here. Yeah, that's like a vinegar sauce. If you don't like vinegar, don't go with that. But I want to try it without the sauce over there. Okay. Right there, look at it. Check that out right there. Oh my God. That is awesome, Michelle. It's got a nice little hint of like a barbecue on there.
If you had smell-o-vision,
oh, wow.
you haven't tried nothing yet.
Yeah, pull it off with your finger so you don't poke yourself. Oh, you're gonna use it. It doesn't need that, but what do you think?
Good as always.
That's tremendous. It's so tender too. Look at that. Wow. You guys gotta try this place. Look at that. That is so good. Look at that. Outstanding. Off camera, all Michelle's been talking about is how good these spring rolls are. All right. So I'm gonna have to try it in their little sweet and sour sauce they got there. You were right, Michelle. Now you try one. I know you want to get into that spring roll over there. No dipping sauce? Yeah, they nailed it. All right. I'm not double dipping. I'm turning it around to go on the other side. I love how they have the video on the wall showing how they actually cook the food in the Philippines, how they gather the food fresh off the vine and everything, and they cook it right there. And it's really informative. Oh wow, look what just came out. Beautiful. Thank you so much. This reminds me of the type of beef stew that my mom used to make. That's why, yeah, that's why I ordered it, because it reminds me of the way my mom, and there's, ooh, that's the chicken that you got there, Michelle? Ooh.
Oh, rice too.
That smells awesome.
Thank you.
Wow. So we gotta put, this is what we're gonna do this, okay. Michelle's not a big rice, but you got your own rice right there, Michelle. Yeah.
Oh.
So you wanna
smash it down.
Push it down, and then you take a little bit like this. Look at that.
Big chunks of pork.
Look at that. Just like that. I'm gonna set this aside like that. All right, let's go right for that, right for there. You go first, Michelle. We're both ready to eat at the same time. Now my turn. Oh, the meat has basically spread into everything. It's dispersed evenly. And there's like that red bell pepper in there. Check this. Check out this piece of meat here. Wow.
Pork and under.
So tender, Michelle. And here is your chicken nice and easy to chew too. Wow. Nothing but good stuff here. Look at that, carrots, and there's some potatoes and some red peppers. Just like soup. So good. Flo really did a great job here. It's very good.
Oh, you want to sit down?
Yes.
The first thing that my mom used to make stew all the time, and this, I hate to say this toward my mom, but this is actually better than what my mom made. Okay, she's gonna strike me down for saying that.
2.5 hours.
Wow, is that why it's so tender then? Because it melts in your mouth. It's so good. My mom, yeah, she cooked it in a pressure cooker too.
Yeah.
So you have to do that to get everything to loosen up and everything. Yeah. But you have that. I love that. Like it has like a little soup in there too. So is it okay to mix it with the rice like that and eat it together? Right. Okay.
How you put the meat on top.
That's right. See, I've watched a lot of Filipino videos, so I know how you're supposed to eat it, Michelle.
Well, excuse me.
Yeah. And the pork, that barbecued pork was outstanding. I mean, the videos that I've seen from YouTube had a lot of guys eating the pork, and it's like pork o'clock every day over there, you know? I love this stuff.
It's going to come and live out here now.
I'm almost done, but look what I'm going to do here. Take that.
I don't know that.
Pour it on there. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to let anything go to waste, Michelle. Watch this. I still have that nice piece of meat there. It's like a beef soup stew. Oh.
Gonna try that? Clear your...
I'm not messing with the vinegar thing. I'm sorry, Michelle. Dessert is next, though. Are you ready for that?
Oh, yeah.
All right. It's starting to snow out, and they're excited because they don't get to see snow in the Philippines, I guess. And she's out there taking her video of the snow coming down. But this is Northeast Ohio now. Got to get used to it. Okay, the Hollow came out, and she was trying to explain, Michelle, that you are supposed to crush it all up and eat it all like together. But let's take a close look at it before we destroy it, okay? It looks like a cherry over there.
Several cherries.
And that looks like a Jell-O. And that looks like something that I've seen on a buffet before.
Apricots.
Apricot. Okay. Let's try that real quick. It's chilled too. I think there's ice, crushed ice underneath all that too. You want to do you want to stick your spoon in there and get into the ice.
It's frozen over here. Okay.
Yeah. Now they gave us this over here to eat with it. So I think you're supposed to do this. I hate to say that. Like that. Smash it all together. And like I said, there's ice. See how I'm bringing out the ice on the bottom of that?
It's their version of ice cream.
All right, let's go. You got the ice, and then you get the Jell-O mixed into it, and the ice cream, like that. Look at that. And let's get some of this in there too.
Oh, here we go with part 2.
There we go.
Thank you.
And what is that one called?
This is called Turon. It's a banana spring roll with jackfruit inside and some coconut caramel on top, some ube ice cream on the side, and some ube drizzle.
Thank you. Michelle, you go do that one, all right? I'll stick to this over here.
With pleasure.
Yeah, I'm kind of jealous. That looks really good, Michelle. You're going to go without the ice cream? Oh, that's for me to try? Thank you. Oh, yeah. Wow. Follow it with the ice cream. That goes so good together. I can't cross them two together, but you got the ice cream over ready to go with yours. So this is really, really good. Who would have thought Filipino ice cream or dessert could be so good? Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors as we are here at Tita Flora's. in Independence. So, what did you think of Tita Flora's, Michelle, here in Independence?
Incredible. I am so proud of Flora. She has done an amazing job with Angela and Veronica. I am so very happy for this family kicking off and starting a brand new restaurant for us to all enjoy.
It is really cool when you go to a place and you don't even feel like you're a customer, but more like a part of the family. Because the daughters are like an extension of their mom. They're all good kids, and Flora is awesome.
Yeah.
And the food was awesome, the environment, everything. I really did feel like I was in the Philippines for a little while there. So
didn't you?
Now that we're outside and it's cold, we're back to reality. I want to go back.
I guess we're in Ohio.
I want to go back in there and eat again, and warm up again. But like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors as we are here in Independence trying Filipino food at Tita Flora's. It was epic, and you guys really need to get out here and check it out because it is definitely worth it. And it wasn't even that expensive. It was very reasonable. For all we had was only $64, and that's a good deal when you consider that we had
two appetizers, 2 desserts, and 2 main entrees.
Yeah, and wow, what can I say? But thank you, Flora, for being an excellent hostess, and Michelle, thank you for introducing me to her, So,
18 years and counting, and I love her to the moon and back.
And I can understand why, because she is pretty awesome. All right, you guys, stay safe. See you guys.
Stay warm.
Yep. Have a great indoors day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.